Got an MDD file from a 3D animation project and need to apply the deformation data? This format preserves complex mesh animations frame by frame. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Vertex cache deformation files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn MDD files. N.MDD file stores Vertex deformation data, capturing how a 3D model's shape changes over time. Users search for this format to apply complex pre-calculated animations, like cloth simulations, from one 3D application to a model in another, such as moving data from LightWave to Blender or Maya without resimulating. The MDD format is a binary file designed for efficiency. It contains a series of coordinate offsets for each vertex in a model for every frame of an animation. This design allows for the compact storage and rapid playback of complex mesh deformations, effectively baking the animation to avoid heavy computational loads during rendering. The fundamental software link for MDD files is built around LightWave 3D or Blender by NewTek, Blender Foundation. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows limits visibility to basic attributes, so proper exploration requires high-end modeling software. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your MDD file and select Open With. If LightWave 3D/Blender is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If your MDD file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. This MDD file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, importing in Blender. Open Blender and import MDD files via the Mesh Cache Modifier system. Add a Mesh Cache modifier to your target mesh and configure it to read the MDD file. Blender plays back the cached vertex animation, enabling integration of deformation data from other 3D applications into Blender scenes. Next, loading in Maya. Import MDD files in Autodesk Maya using the Geometry Cache feature, or third-party plugins for MDD support. Apply the cache to a mesh with matching vertex count for proper playback. This enables sharing simulation results between Maya and other 3D applications supporting MDD format. Finally, exporting from source. Export MDD files from LightWave 3D or other applications supporting vertex caches via dedicated MDD export functions. The export bakes current animation to vertex positions per frame, creating MDD files ready for import into other 3D software preserving complex deformations across application boundaries. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.